Oh my goodness. You just dropped that whole bag. Are you feeling overwhelmed with birds? Yeah, there are a lot of birds out there. They're cute. Oh, let's go see what's going on back here. I have some boxes to bring down. Do you want to help me? You want to help me bring down boxes? Oh, you're right. They're probably far too heavy for you. Oh, but you go to the 10-pound dumbbell. Yeah, you can handle that, can't ya? There you go. If you want to knock it over. While I'm sitting here. Yep. Only when Mama's close. Good job. You're amazing.